Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the 2004 Daewoo DMV-3016 vertical machining center. The machine is in a really great condition. It has a 30 inches travel on the X and 16 inches on the Y. It has a side mount tool change on it, 8,000 maximum RPM, has a Fanuc I-series control on it. It's in a great condition. Machine comes up with a coolant unit, and the machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. So now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir. The tool has been changed. Currently the machine is running at 2,000 RPM. Z is moving, X, Y, Z all moving together. The RPMs has been increased to 3,000. 5,000 RPM on it. Seven thousand RPM. Back to 2,500 RPM. 4,000 RPM. $250 RPM. X, Y, and Z moving. 250 RPM. $1,500 RPM. 3,000 RPM. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.